So for all you tech founders out there, today we are talking about open source and why there are some risks and responsibilities that you have to be aware of. So open source can be really great. It can provide operational efficiencies, time savings, cost savings that can make your life as a tech founder a lot easier. But there are some things to be aware of with any game changer, unfortunately. The first thing is to make sure you're properly reading and understanding the terms of the license. A lot of people see open source and just assume they can use it for whatever, whenever they want. That's not always strictly the case. There might be territory restrictions, you might only be able to use it in certain countries or for certain purposes, so bear that in mind. Another thing to think about is that often open source can also include copyleft software, which would require you as a tech startup to share some of your code as well. You don't want to be involved in that. That's something that's high risk and something you really, really want to be aware of. If you're thinking of using copyleft components, then please take some legal advice before doing so. As well as that, you also just want to make sure that the open source software you're using doesn't have other dependencies. Does it depend on other open source software or other software in general that has more restrictive licenses that could really hold back some of the things that you are developing and creating? It's really important when you're using open source software that you review the license terms and make sure to take legal advice if you're not 100% sure. If you would like a legal review of any of this documentation to make sure that you are operating in line with the terms of the license that you need, then drop me a message or comment below this video and we can have a chat about it.